So we're gonna pick up our fruit.
Yeah, we're gonna get some Wazier.
We gotta tell Wazier that he's a fruit. So we off to another adventure. Trinidad Adventure Seekers here. Luvi here. Elvis, Rani.
Hi.
So we're not too sure where we're going,
We
but
think we're being kidnapped.
yeah, we could be getting kidnapped. We don't know.
They haven't told us yet, so.
We don't know where we're going, but we're going. Hope you guys enjoy this random adventure. So peace. Check this out. Me and Elvis is actually matching stripes. What is going on there? That is so. Alright guys, we just pick up a friend Wazier, pool master. I beat him once in my life. So I beat him in a game of pool once. So he might be getting kidnapped too. Don't know us yet.
He might be in it.
Oh you're not in it, right?
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No,
Alright guys, we here. We're not too sure where we are, but we here. We in the bush today guys. We in the bush. We in the bush. A little river right there. Just got this fruit.
Rambutan.
What is the name?
Rambutan.
Ramu?
Rambutan.
Rambutan. So I just break it?
Yeah, what's open?
Wait.
I don't know.
Sweet. Real nice.
What is it?
Hello. Look at the size of the shadow, Benny. Nice big healthy leaves. You only find these things when they come out in the wild. Nobody is out in the wilderness.
No, rip off piece of the plant.
Yeah boy, and I'll rip off pieces. But it's real big. Untouched. Well, I touched it. We're actually not being kidnapped. We're actually out in the countryside in Arima. And we're gonna take a little walk in the bush. They have some fig trees, coconut trees. They actually have cocoa behind me. Let me show you. Nice cocoa! Guys, so we're gonna find this river.
Still don't know where we're going yet.
Yeah, we don't know where we're going.
Had these big shadow, Benny.
Woo.
Don't fall now.
You go. Yeah, just hold on to me. Don't fall. Let's go. Clearly, I rest my hand in an ant's nest.
Yeah?
You did?
I'm getting bitten on my fingers. Mr. Cutterman.
Eh.
Welcome up this bush. Yeah, what are you doing?
Follow the currents.
Oh, it's deep. Careful there, babe.
Yeah, it's deep.
It is deep. Oh, look how crystal clear that is. Oh, that's nice. There's a lot of mud here.
Can I warn my body drop?
Yeah, there was a drop there. Yeah, I forgot to warn her about the drop and she just went.
That wasn't fun.
Is that Shakonia? Oh guys, we're approaching some beautiful Shakonia. Gonna show you guys that in a bit. Oh, there's this Shakonia, guys. Trinidad and Tobago's national flower. Just out here, all untouched. Oh crap, it's slippery. Oh, I need to take my time, guys. It's slippery. I actually used to feed my rabbit this same grass. Yeah, I think I got bitten. Something's biting you. Guys, look at daddy long legs. Look at it, it's so big. Teamwork, guys. Teamwork is everything.
Yeah, and yeah. Who told Luvi to take off his shoes?
I never told you to take off his shoes, partner. Out in the forest in Arima, in the countryside, and we're just chilling by this little waterfall. It's really beautiful. We're engulfed in nature. I hope you can hear me because that is really loud. Here's love. This is beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Beautiful.
it's wrong. I can't make right. I love the bird below you.
Alright guys, we just left the waterfall. It was beautiful. A really nice place to come and relax, just here out in nature. And I have to watch where I'm stepping because it's very slippery. So in the night, they actually come here and hold crayfish in this river. Crayfish to cook, make a nice meal. This was a nice little spring, man. It is cool fruit, guys. Very textured. So we're heading back out, guys. Gonna see if food is ready. Oh my gosh, I'm tripping. I can't make a video where I don't say oh my gosh. Oh seaweed, guys. Is this seaweed? No, this is moss. What seaweed are you talking about? Okay, I was giving you a helping hand, but clearly you don't need it. Shadow Benny is everywhere, guys. If you smell, this is so good. Woo, that smells so good. Does anybody else love to smell Shadow Benny? Or is it just me? Is this lemon?
Yeah.
That's rough skin. Probably grafted. Yes, this looks like lemon, guys. Shadow Benny. Shadow Benny. 7 days. What's up? Wazier, I think I'm gonna start to call you Wazier. What's up? We're back, guys. Gonna see what's cooking. What the rock is cooking. Actually, no, the rock is actually not cooking, but somebody's cooking. Alright, so what you guys making here?
Black pudding.
Black pudding, guys. It's not white, it's black. Pepper pork, guys. Pepper shrimp here as well, guys. Check that out. Pepper shrimp. Pepper shrimp, guys. Wow. Completely pepper shrimp. That's nice. Mmm. Taste, babe. Oh my gosh. Taste, babe. You're not babe.
Yet.
What? Oh my gosh. Hey, puppy. You don't know what this is? It's a GoPro. GoPro Hero 7. You should buy one. You can buy it on Amazon. You don't have to look away. Where you going? You don't want a GoPro? GoPro Hero 7. Amazon.
Okay, Elvis is taking me to see some pigs. Pigs! Oh yeah. Okay. He's so big. Oh my gosh. So look at this white dog. It's so nice.
Got some navel orange. They actually have a belly button on the orange, so it looks like a navel. See that belly button? Got some really nice pimentos here, guys. Growing out here. That's where they grow their seasoning. Really, really nice, healthy, big pimentos. Wow, that's lovely. They have some barbadine here. Nice, just growing off of this vine. Oh, look at the bird peppers. Look how tiny these peppers are. Some body growing off the vine here too. Lovely melon John. That cat just... Oh, whoa.
Looks back on the tree. Looks back on the tree.
That cat just chased the chicken. Beautiful countryside. So we just got permission to pick. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna harvest some and we're gonna actually get to take it home. Lovely pimentos. Gorgeous pimentos. Lovely pimentos. These trees are lovely. Guys, I have some pimento trees at home as babies. And I could only hope that they would get so big. Look at all these pimentos. Hot peppers here as well. Listening to the beautiful music out here.
Really nice peppers.
What's wrong with that cat? That cat is so wild. He going up the tree again. Guys, the cat is up in the tree. Should we call the fire service? Some nice duck here, guys. Some pork here. So we got a lovely plate of food. Shrimp, duck, pork, dal. So we're gonna eat. Alright, so we just had dinner. So we've came to the close of this video. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys subscribe. Hope you guys share it with a friend and click that bell if you want to be notified when we post new videos in the future. And as always,
Stay safe and stay adventurous.